Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to this channel. In this video, I will tell you and show you how you can save videos from your Google Drive to a gallery. Friends, please subscribe to this channel. Be sure to put your likes and also write your comments at the end of this video. So, let's get down to our topic. And let me tell you right away that this method works on both iPhone and Android. So let's open up Google Drive. Then select the video or photo files that you would like to save to your gallery. When you find them, click on them and hold them down. So this video file, for example, it will be highlighted. And you can scroll down. If you have a very large list of files, you can highlight other files, such as photos or videos. Then in the upper right corner, click on the three dots. Then in this menu, select Send a Copy. And now you will get this window. Here you will need to click on Save Video. It may take a while for the video to save. For me, as you can see, it happened quickly because I saved one short video. If you select multiple files, it will take longer. So, let's you and I check to see if this video is saved in the galleries. To do that, we're going to find the gallery on your phone. Open it up, and as you can see, this video has been saved to the gallery. Friends, this is the way you can easily save videos from your Google Drive to your phone's gallery. I really hope this video was helpful for you. Please put your likes, write comments, be sure to subscribe to this channel, and see you soon.